Hi, I'm glad we're drawing together again. Today, I wanted to draw a dinosaur. Let's draw a Brontosaurus. Brontosaurus, that's a kind of dinosaur. We're going to draw a dinosaur that is a Brontosaurus. That's a long neck dinosaur. So let's start with the head. So a little half circle, one half circle. Then we're going to kind of come around a little bit more to the back of the head. We're going to make a long neck coming down, a hump for a back, and a tail. We're going to come around. So we have half circle, an upside down half circle, a right side up half circle, and another upside down half circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And another one underneath for 5. That's going to be our tail, our back, and our head. Now let's draw a nose and the bottom of the mouth. And let's draw the bottom of the neck. That's going to come down, big swoosh. Next, we're going to need the bottom of the belly. One more swoosh. A back leg. Kind of a rectangle with rounded tips. Another rectangle with rounded tips here. The back leg. Got another front leg here. And then the other leg here. I want to fix the front of the neck a little bit because I feel like I drew the line down too far. But that's what erasers are for. To fix things. If you want to change them, you can always change things in your drawing to something you like. So we'll do the neck and connect it under here. Finish our leg. There we go. I like that better. Thank heavens for erasers. Let's give him an eyebrow and an eyeball circle with a dot in the middle. I think he needs a little place to breathe. Let's give him a nose hole. And let's finish his smile. Just like that. I'm going to make an extra line for underneath his neck. We'll go like this. That's going to be in shape. Like that. We can make that underneath him too. And carry it under. Up and under his tail like that. Perfect. I think I'll take a darker marker to that in a minute. So I'm going to take that sketch out. The middle. There we go. That'll be kind of a shadow underneath his neck. There we go. Let's give him some toenails. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. You can bring those lines down a little bit more in the middle if we want. Go. I think this is going to be a mama dinosaur. Let's put a baby dinosaur coming out of an egg. Let's do a half circle and a wiggly line. Let's do half circle for the top of the head. Come down for a nose. Chin. To the neck. The same as the mom. We might go like that. Let's do an eye. Eyebrow. Hole for the nose and a smile. Have our baby dinosaur. I want to give our dinosaur some spots. Let's draw some circles on his back and his neck. Well, her, mama. We can take it down. Perfect. Now we can add some color to our picture. Did you know that Brontosaurus means thunder lizard in Greek? It's kind of cool. where words come from. Let's outline our drawing. The shadow underneath, we're going to do a dark color. Nose. The eye. There we go. Eyebrow. We'll finish the shading section underneath the dinosaur. There we go. Over here too, under the belly. There we go. And this part under the baby dinosaur is going to be same as the mama. Do a mouth. And an eye. Eyebrow. And the nose. There's our little baby dinosaur. Let's finish outlining the mama. Here we go. Top of the head. Down the long neck. All up and over the back. Down the tail and around to the... We're going to do the legs. Can't forget those. And then the toenails will come back. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. You do that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little humps to make all the toenails. Okay, we outlined everything in black. Now let's color in our dinosaur. I want to start with the spots first. Let's color in our spots. This is a nice dark color. There we go. You can always add a couple extra if you want. Okay. I'm going to do the dots on the baby too. Let's do the underbelly, the light color. Let's go. Let's choose a good color for the egg. The eggshell. Let's make it green eggshell. Then let's find a good color to color in our dinosaurs. Let's see. I think I want to do blue. Let's color in our baby dinosaur light blue. Let's color in the mama light blue too. She should match us. Let's color in our eggshell. To finish it. That's our mama and our baby dinosaur, Brontosaurus. They're herbivores. Do you know what an herbivore is? Herbivore is an animal that eats plants. So they eat anything with green leaves. Kind of cool. Watch more fun drawing videos on your phone, tablet, or download the YouTube app on your smart TV to watch there. And I hope to see you next time. We've got more dinosaurs to draw. We're going to draw a pterodactyl and a triceratop next. So come and check it out. Like and subscribe for more drawing fun so you don't miss out on anything coming up.